Rome is one of the most popular places to visit in the world, and for good reason. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we are sharing the 6 reasons to visit Rome. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So the first reason that you must visit Rome is to learn more about its incredible history. Rome was a huge part of the Roman Empire, one of the world's most powerful civilizations in history. Walking the streets of Rome today, you can find ancient ruins across the city, making it an excellent destination for history lovers. With so much history, the capital was bound to have some amazing architecture to appreciate as well. With 12 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the famous Colosseum, you will not be stuck for things to see and do when exploring the breathtaking architecture in Rome. Although rich in history and ancient ruins, Rome is still modernizing all the time. After you have explored the many sites in the city, you can relax in a trendy bar during the evening, or take a day to visit an art gallery or go shopping in the many high-end stores. Another reason to visit Rome is actually to technically leave Rome and visit the Vatican. The world's smallest state is definitely worth a visit whilst you are in Rome. Surrounded by the capital, the Vatican is home to the Pope as well as many important religious locations, including the Sistine Chapel. Rome is one of the world's most famous cities when it comes to art. You can find beautiful sculptures and paintings throughout the city. Some of the most famous and talented artists have called the city their home, resulting in countless museums and galleries for you to explore. Of course, food is a fantastic reason to visit Italy. Beyond the pizza, make sure to try the gelato, carbonara and Roman-styled artichokes. Plus, you can find some of the best wines in the world whilst you are in Rome. Make sure to try a wine tasting session to enjoy some of the best flavours the country has to offer. So we hope you have an amazing time in Rome. Let us know what you are most looking forward to doing in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you found it helpful, please make sure you give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Take care, guys, stay safe, and until next time, stay creative.